What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got some special. We got a final edition number 769 EVO getting wrapped in custom printed snow jumbo classic, the snow camo. And so far we did a lot. I just had to do something to show you guys exactly what we're working with here. So far we did both doors, both front fenders and the hood. I also got another vinyl on its way by Evolve, or as people know it, April Films. And it's the racing carbon fiber. If you want to see what it looks like, here you go. It doesn't look like that 6D that Tiny Bot offers, which I don't recommend because moisture always gets trapped on the top layer. This you could use for exterior, interior, and I think it looks really nice. It looks more stealthy, has some gloss in it. This has been my favorite ever since, and this is what I recommend for this. I think this will just button it up. We're doing the roof in this right here, as well as some little trims inside, and a couple other areas. Now, if you were going to ask me, how did you pull this off? How did you have the camo match so well? Very simple. Before I get to that, there's another method of doing this, and I see a lot of people doing this when they wrap a car in camo. Basically, they have a roll cut from the quarter panel right here to the front fender, and they wrap everything all at once. The problem with that is when it's time to cut along this line right here, the trunk area, the bumper area. Some people don't even remove the bumper. Like, I had to loosen it up a little bit so I could get in there nicely. The problem with that is, like, how the hell do you have any material to tuck in? Clearly there's no material left to tuck in right here, nothing. Like, I went in there deep right here really nicely. You could see really nicely in there, as well as right there tucked in really nicely. So how did I go about matching everything nicely? Basically, I wrapped the quarter panels separately, the doors separately, the side skirts separately, and then I went with the blending in everything. And how did I do that? Well, simply, if you could see this wrap, this black is already on the wrap. So I cut up a lot of scrap paper, a lot of these blacks right here, these shades, and put it on the bumper. I didn't put it on both sides, I only put it on the bumper, so it's kind of looking really nicely. Right here as well. Right here, this was with the wrap, so it's right here. And this was with the wrap, so it's right here. And I just did this all around the car. Looks really nicely done. And I went with black because it hides dirt really well, and you're not gonna see nothing even from about a year from now. Looks really, really nice. Everything's blended in perfectly, even right here. So that's really what I did, and I think this method is the best because everything's tucked in nicely, and at the end of the day, it's still matching. There you guys have it, all complete. Looks really good. So to begin, the carbon fiber front part right here is wrapped, really difficult to pull off, by the way, and as well as the emblem wrapped in carbon fiber. Also did the hood scoop in carbon fiber. Looks really nice. Here's a look at it from the side. I really like this camo. Goes really well with black, so we went with this carbon fiber. There's a lot of carbon fiber vinyl wraps, but I think this is the best. Looks really nice, and it reminds me of dry carbon, really. As well as the roof, you can see the reflection. It's unbelievable. Not a single glue line visible. This was pretty difficult to pull off by yourself. Oh yeah, there you go. Now moving along to the rear end. Looks really nice. Spoiler wrapped, really difficult to pull off and wrap right here. Everything was removed. The tail lights, that part, the reflector, the emblems, and then reused. And then this emblem was wrapped in carbon fiber as well. This was removed. Yeah, final edition. That's crazy. Looks really nice now. Looks like a true final edition with all that carbon. Let's look at it one more time. Definitely getting picked up today. He honestly cannot wait. He cannot wait. I showed him a little sneak peek, but we will be doing a reveal, so yeah, you don't want to miss that part. I want to see what he's gonna think. There she is. What's she thinking? All that carbon and everything, bro. Looking sick, huh?
Dude. This is a full ass
I told you, you're not gonna recognize it. The hardest part was to blend in the camos, which, yeah, anyways, it was hard. Crazy, huh? Looking sick. Looking sick. And I did your carbon hood scoops. I did the carbon door handles, the side mirrors, and your front, which I was gonna show you because it's hard to explain. Looking sick. Hell yeah. Just like that, she's gone. So happy. And it makes me happy when my clients are happy. Stay tuned for the next video. You guys do not want to miss it. I will see you guys later. Peace out.